guys.
Okay.
This is my car. Look, this is the dipstick.
Okay.
The oil pressure here. And there's the oil leak here.
Oh,
And this is where the temperature. Don't touch it because it's hot.
okay.
And this is the right here is cooled down now. And this is where the temperatures can heat in when there's no coolant.
Okay.
When
So
there's
what
no-
is this?
It's the radiator. When there's no water, it'll overheat.
Meron bang water yan?
Look. Look. There's more.
Oh, good. Sige. So what's next? Okay.
The brake fluid.
Where's the brake fluid?
Here. When it's only medium, it is a brake system.
Eh, what about this? Ano to?
Brake
Brake. What's that?
brake master.
Oh, brake master pala yun.
And this is the oil cap. When there's cloud in it, it'll not turn on.
Okay.
Look, you need to check the clutch in it, but it's so hard.
Okay. What is this?
It's the filter.
Filter.
When there's the aircon is not cold, the filter is clogged.
Okay. Eh, ito. What's this?
This is the battery. But
Ah,
when you just turn off the headlight, you'll low back and then you can go now.
okay.
And this is not gonna start the car.
Wow. Eh, what about that?
What?
What is this?
Where? This is the coolant. When it's full or medium, it's right here.
Okay. So what does it do?
It means the overheat is right here. Is you just overheat in this coolant.
You need coolant. So we
But
don't
the
overheat.
hose gonna go in this coolant is gonna go here.
Okay. But there's another thing here. What is this?
The washer fluid. Because
Oh.
when it's broken, it's not gonna work. When it's not broken, it'll work.
Okay. So where's the washer fluid hose?
Right there, come.
Where?
Look. It is the yellow one is right here.
This one?
But look, inside is so dirty. Look.
Yeah.
Can you broke this?
I don't know. I don't want.
Why?
Eh, siyempre. So can you check the oil level now?
Yeah, you can. Look. See?
Oh.
Look.
Is it low or full?
Look. See?
Ay, oo nga, no?
It's just full.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put it back. Make sure you just see the oil. I want to check this.
Okay, what's that?
It's the spark plugs.
Huh? Spark plug ba yun?
But look, where's this? Look.
I don't know that.
It's for the wiper only. This is-
ito. Ano to?
This is for the connections.
For the connection. Ito, ano to?
The connection
Ito.
right here. You connect the power in this to here.
Okay. Wow, that's so interesting.
Look, come here. Look here.
Oh, ano yan?
This is for the wiper only.
Wiper only.
But look it here. This is the oil pump.
Oil pump.
Its radiator here is gonna go here. You can see it anywhere.
Okay.
This is where's the oil pump when this is not working.